Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Nandoos cookbook. Today's recipe is spicy and crunchy sweet shop style micher. So let's start. Let's prepare Boondhi batter. For that, take a mixing bowl. Add 125 grams of Besan or gram flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, quarter teaspoon of salt. Add water gradually and make slightly thick batter. Mix it without any lumps. The batter consistency should be as shown in the video. Thick smooth batter. Keep it aside. Now let's prepare dough for making save. Take a mixing bowl. To that add 250 grams of gram flour or besan, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 tablespoon of hot oil. This gives crispiness to the save. Mix it. Add water gradually and make soft chapati dough. You can add ajwain or carom seeds. I am not adding. Now take murukku maker, grease it with oil. Place the disc in it and place the dough into the murukku maker. Close the lid. Now heat oil and drop the dough gently into hot oil in circular motion. Cook it in medium flame. Cook both sides evenly till it turns crisp and golden brown. Cook till the bubble reduces. You can see nice golden color. Transfer it. Now let's make Boondhi. For that the oil should be super hot. Take ladle full of batter. Pour the batter on skimmer and spread it gently. Cook it in high flame. Cook it till the Boondhi turns crisp. Once the Boondhi turns crisp and golden, transfer it. Strain the oil and transfer it into a bowl. Fry 1/4 cup of roasted Bengal gram. Fry it for 2 minutes in low flame. Two sprigs of curry leaves. Fry it in low flame till it turns crisp. 1/4 cup of garlic cloves. Fry it till it turns golden. And 1/4 cup of peanuts. Fry all the ingredients in low flame. Now break the save into small pieces. Mix all the fried ingredients into bowl along with Boondhi and also add save into it. Add salt as per taste. And chilli powder. I have added 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of chilli powder. You can add it according to your taste. Toss it well, and the crunchy and spicy South Indian micher is ready to serve. You can also try it for any occasion. So friends, hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Nandoos Cookbook channel for more delicious recipes.